Garlic is a powerhouse of health benefits, from boosting immunity to supporting heart health. You can watch our video on that. But did you know that simple mistakes when consuming garlic can make it less effective or even harmful? Let's talk about the most common mistakes people make with garlic and how to avoid them. Eating garlic on an empty stomach. Raw garlic on an empty stomach can be harsh on your digestive system. It might irritate your stomach lining and cause nausea or even gastritis. Always consume garlic with food, like mixing it into a salad or spreading it on toast to reduce irritation. Consuming too much garlic. Too much garlic isn't better for your health. It can actually be harmful. Overeating garlic can thin your blood, making you prone to excessive bleeding. Plus, it can cause bad breath, body odor, and digestive issues. Stick to 1 to 2 cloves a day unless your doctor suggests otherwise. Not crushing or chopping garlic. Here's the science. Garlic's health benefits come from allicin, a compound that only forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. Crush or chop garlic first and let it sit for about 10 minutes before using it. This gives the enzymes time to activate and produce allicin. Overcooking garlic. Cooking garlic at high heat for too long destroys its beneficial compounds, especially allicin. Add garlic toward the end of cooking or use it raw in dips, dressings, or as a topping if you can tolerate it. Combining garlic with certain medications. Garlic can interact with medications like blood thinners, antibiotics, and diabetes drugs, increasing the risk of side effects. If you're on medication, talk to your doctor before adding large amounts of garlic to your diet. Before we continue, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, spread it to your friends to help others, and be sure to subscribe for more health topics like this. Using low-quality garlic supplements. Not all garlic supplements are created equal. Some lack the active compounds you need for health benefits, while others may have unhealthy fillers. Choose supplements from reputable brands and check the labels for active allicin content. Ignoring garlic allergies or sensitivities. Allergic reactions to garlic can include rashes, itching, or even difficulty breathing. If you notice any symptoms, stop consuming garlic immediately and consult a healthcare provider. Storing garlic incorrectly. Improper storage can lead to mold growth or spoilage, making garlic unsafe to eat. Keep garlic in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated area. Avoid storing it in airtight containers or the fridge. Taking garlic before surgery. Garlic's blood-thinning properties can increase bleeding risk during surgery. Stop consuming garlic at least 1 to 2 weeks before surgery to stay safe. Applying raw garlic directly to skin. Using raw garlic topically for its antimicrobial benefits can cause burns or severe irritation. Dilute garlic in a carrier oil or use skin-friendly garlic extracts designed for topical use. Garlic is an amazing natural remedy when used correctly. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can enjoy all of its incredible health benefits without the risks.